What if you could turn a photo into a soft hand-drawn sticker using your S Pen? With drawing assist on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can restyle images using the soft illustration effect and save the result as a sticker. It's perfect for chat and reaction. Let me show you how it works and how it looks when used on WhatsApp. First, remove your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose Soft Illustration as the effect. And then tap Generate. Once the result is ready, tap the sticker icon above the image. As a note, when you save it as a sticker, the phone automatically turns only the main object into a sticker, not the entire image. Next, choose a sticker style. As the example, let's use outline. Tap Done to save the sticker. Next, to try the sticker, you can put back the S Pen in or not. Open a chat in a messaging app, in this case WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the emoji icon above the keyboard. Next, tap the AI style icon to see stickers made with drawing assist. Tap the sticker you have just created. And then tap Send a sticker to send it. Soft illustration gives your sticker a gentle, artistic look. It's great for personal photos and make your chat feel more expressive without looking too cartoonish. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.